Before you begin, this video is to be used in conjunction with other training material Fisher & Paykel has produced. It is not designed to be a standalone training source. Please refer to the service manual provided by Fisher & Paykel for all testing procedures, disassemble instructions, and safety warnings. Please make sure to use proper safety procedures, including the use of personal protection equipment when working on all Fisher & Paykel units. When servicing any Fisher & Paykel unit, please make sure to also follow any state and/or municipal laws set forth, including those for installing or reinstalling a unit. For further testing or component questions, please be sure to contact Fisher & Paykel Technical Support. Also, be sure to reference the user manual, the installation guide, and the service manual for any further questions as well as warnings that may apply to this particular unit. Ensure the cabinetry has the required cutout for insertion of the range hood. Once the dimensions are confirmed, begin by unboxing the unit. Cut the two restrainer straps, removing all packaging material, manuals, and accessories from the box, placing on a soft, safe area, being careful not to damage any of the product or the consumer's cabinetry, flooring, or countertops. If installing the Bluetooth wireless adapter for remote control access, refer to the installation sheet for that particular accessory. Begin by removing the cover off the main control board area. Applying the double stick tape to the cover of the assembly, attach the wire harness to the wireless control board. Place the wireless control board to the double stick tape. Plug the wire harness into the main control and reattach the cover to the unit. Next, attach the power cord to the unit, making sure to properly have your strain relief in place according to UL standards. Once power cable is attached to the unit, using proper lifting techniques, place the unit into the cutout of the cabinetry. Note, for larger units, this may require a two-person lift. Carefully slide the unit into the cutout until the spring-loaded mounting brackets click into place and support the weight of the range hood. Secure the range hood into the cabinetry by tightening each of the mounting brackets in a counterclockwise direction. Tighten each bracket in succession around the range hood to close the gap incrementally for each bracket. Install the filters as described in the cleaning and maintenance section of your user guide. Turn the power on at the control. Check the operation of the range hood as described in the operating instructions section of your user guide. For pairing the Bluetooth remote, refer to the instruction sheet from the Bluetooth accessory packet. Connect the wireless control. Test the wireless functions.